to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account in 2026, let's launch the app, go to menu, and then tap on this cogwheel or settings, and then hit Account Center, scroll down and go to Personal Details to Account Ownership and Control, and then hit Deactivation or Deletion. Now you gotta select the account that you want to deactivate if you have multiple accounts listed in here. Now, as you can see, deactivation is defaultly selected in here. So all I gotta do is just hit Continue. Now, as you can see, you're gonna lose access to all these contents, especially if you own any Facebook page as an admin. Those pages will be deactivated as well. If it's okay with you, just scroll down and hit Continue. Now, according to Facebook policy, you're going to choose the most suitable reason behind your decision, and then hit Continue. Now, in the Taking a Break section, you will see options to choose how many days after your account is automatically reactivated. You can select any number of days in here, or you can just choose Do Not Reactivate if you want to return manually. Now next, you gotta carefully check the Confirm Temporary Account Deactivation option, cause unless you wanna keep using Messenger while Facebook is deactivated, you gotta just leave it unchecked. And finally, just hit Deactivate My Account. And that's it. Your Facebook account will be deactivated after that. Thanks for watching.